Hey guys, Flycut here. I just wanted to send y'all a little Thanksgiving update. After weeks and weeks and weeks of fails, we have figured out what was wrong with our printers. It's a little thing called maintenance. So we actually had a bunch of this material, and I don't have the other material up here. The other foamy stuff get lodged in the gears that drive the filament down into the extruder. Once I actually took the machines apart and cleaned those out with a little toothpick, I got set back up, and here we are. One color change successful. This is Soriatec PEBA and Recreus Red. Wow, look at that color change with the focus. Recreus Red Filophone 95A, which is gonna feel like a mix between cloth and memory foam. It's pretty interesting. And over here we've got our other shoe cooking up, a Vegeta Special with the same two-tone split. You can kind of see a little preview. Sorry about the maintenance. You can see a little preview of it here. So, just different colors. But yeah, we're back in business. Expect more shoe updates soon. You'll probably see me testing them out, walking around with Oso in the shorts. And yeah, if you guys are interested in 3D printed shoes, you found the right channel. We are back in business. Flycut Fab Shop is open. So, all right, there's your Thanksgiving update. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. I know we've had a little bit of a rocky start, but we are getting more organized, and we'll be putting out more structured content soon. But for now, hope you guys enjoy Oso's antics and me trying to keep him out of trouble. And yeah, we're at 470-ish subscribers. I think 464 right now. So please, please, please go ahead and subscribe. And share the content with your friends. If you know anybody who's interested in learning about 3D printing, 3D modeling, 3D scanning, we're going to cover the basics of all of that here at the channel, probably over the next 6 months. So go on ahead, subscribe, join up now. This is the Flycut Fab Shop. I'm Flycut Speaks. You can just call me Flycut. And yeah, looking forward to sharing what I know and testing out some crazy experiments with you guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Flycut out.